If you think customer service in insurance is still about hold music and call centers, you're in for a wake-up call. AI isn't just changing how we sell insurance, it's changing how we serve our customers. Faster, smarter, and with more empathy than ever before. Hey there, I'm Ryan Hanley, Chief Growth Officer at Linqura, and today we're diving into one of the biggest shifts happening in commercial insurance: AI-powered customer service. I'm talking about policyholders getting real answers in seconds, agents being freed from repetitive admin work, and clients feeling seen, not just processed. Let's be real, traditional insurance service is not amazing. Long wait times, disconnected systems, inconsistent answers, burned out service reps, missed emails. Does any of this sound familiar to you? And when your client has a claim or a coverage question, they want answers right now, not tomorrow, not next week. The old model just can't keep up with modern expectations. This is where AI flips the script. Now, imagine this. A policyholder asks a coverage question at 9 p.m. and gets an instant answer, accurate answer, based on their policy. Your service team gets intelligent summaries of every interaction with next steps automatically queued up. Claims triage happens instantly. Routine changes, certificates, endorsements, remarketing handled without bogging down your staff. With platforms like ours at Linqura, it's not about replacing people. It's about amplifying your service team. AI handles the busy work so your team can focus on what humans do best: empathy, judgment, and relationships. The impact? Response times shrink from hours to seconds. Customer satisfaction soars. Service teams do more with fewer resources. And you build trust because your clients feel heard and helped. That's the new face of insurance service. Efficient, personalized, scalable, and powered by AI. If you're ready to give your clients a service experience that feels like magic, let's talk. Book a demo today. There's a link below. We'll show you how Linqura can transform your client interactions, cut service costs, and boost retention. AI isn't the future of customer service, it's the present. Do not get left behind. Now, if this resonated, hit that like button, subscribe for more insurance and AI breakdowns, and let me know in the comments, what's the worst customer service experience you've ever had at your agency? And what did you do to fix it? All right, guys, see you next time.